Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about the mail merge. So mail merge, it is one of the powerful tool in Microsoft Word. Here is mailing menu. When I'll click on the mail, here we have a different icons in the standard toolbar. So in these icons, you can notice some of the icons are activated and these are the inactivated. So mail merge, it is used to send one particular information to the many persons. Suppose now I am sending some invitation letter. One letter, by changing the address and all, we can send to multiple persons. And if I am applying for the job for the multiple companies, same letter I can apply by changing the address of the different companies. So here we have in order to start with the mail merge, first we need to start with the start mail merge option. So in this, what we are taking, I'll take one of the letter format to send different companies. Here we have a application letter. It is this application letter I need to send for the different companies. So which all the informations are required to merge means here we have a name of the manager, company name, company address, job title, and here we have some experience also it will comes. Number of years of the experience. So these are the things we need to create with respect to the different companies. These are varying things with respect to the different companies, variables. So for this, I need to create the address list. And by creating address list, just I have to go on merging one by one and I'll be sending to the respective address. So in order to start with the mail merge process, here there is a step-by-step mail merge wizard. Click on this wizard, it will opens with the mail merge wizard. Among all the 6 steps, this is the first step. We are selected the letter. So next here, I'll click on the next. By clicking here, it will go to the step 2. When I'll click on the next select recipients. In select recipients, where I need to select the recipient, whether I need to select the recipients in this letter only, that is the use current document, or start from the template. If already created template, it is there, from that I am going to start, I may go for that one. Start from existing document. If any other document already existed, for that I need to create the list, then I can select that one. Now it is an activated page, which it is current document. So I'll be selecting this one. And then I'll go to the next. Click on next. Select recipients. In order to select the recipients, use an existing list. Select from the Outlook. Type a new list. We have 3 options. Now I am going to type the new list for this company. So I'll go for this one and I'll click on the create. Now it will enable to create the fields which you are wishing to take. So here I can notice title types of the fields are there. But these fields are not required for my work. In that case, I may delete all the fields, and which are the required fields I need to take, I can insert here. So first I'll go for the customize columns. In customize columns, I may delete all these. I'll be selecting and I'll go for the delete. And I'll say yes, it will be deleted here. The next one again by selecting, I'll be deleting. Again, I'll select the next one and I'll delete. Like this, all the fields I'll be deleting from the list. Then now it is the time to add new fields, which I need to refer for the letter. So here I have to go for the add. What is the first field here? Hiring manager. That is the manager name it is required. That I'll be inserting. The next here we have a company name. Add one more. That is company name. Company name. The next field is company address. Now I'll go for add company address it is. Say OK. Then next I need here job title. One more field it is there, that is the job title. I'll go for the add job title. Then one more is experience. I'm going to add one more field, that is the experience. Now I'll say OK. Then now 5 fields we are created here, which I need as a variable in my letter. So now I'll go for the OK. I'll click on OK. Here the manager, company name, company address, job title, and experience, in which I can go for the insertion of records. So now 3 records we are created. Okay. If I need to do any changes, again, I have to go for the customization. I can add, I can delete, and I can go for any of the modification here. Then now I'll say okay. When I'll say okay, in order to store the data of that database, now I need the name of the database here. This all records is required to store. So that name of the database, I may give here application list. Then we have to say okay. Now it is stored. That it is list, it is created. What are the list it is created that we can notice here? If again I need to do some changes, I have to select this file name and I can go for the edit. Name of the file is the application list. In this, suppose this is the experience wrong I have entered here. It may be for the 10 years. And here we have some of the names and all I need to change. I can go for the modification. I'll say okay. If I need to delete any of the entry, I need to make the new entry. That everything it is possible here in this. Now I'll say okay. Yes, with changes, it will be updated. And now I'll say okay. It is created. I'll go for the address block. What address block it is required? Just I have to select the format how it is required. Then I'll say okay. This it will be replacing all these fields. Then here we have a job title. This job title I have to replace with the field job title. Here we have a insert merge field. In this, if I click manager, company name, company address, job title, and experience, everything it is there. Now I have to insert the job title. And here the hiring manager name. Just I have to replace this with the manager name. Here, manager. Okay, to whom we are writing the letter. Then here we have a job title. Once again, by selecting this one, means all these are the variables with respect to that particular company. It will be taking the identity. It will be varying from one company to another company. So name of the company, I'll select here. Here I'll be selecting from the merge field company name. So now it will be taking the company name here. And next here we have a experience, number of years, how many years experience. Greeting line means actually this one I need to replace with the complete greeting line. I'll be selecting this one and what type of the greeting line it is required. Dear, I'll take this. So this one I'll be removing, previous one. Now I'll take first one, I'll be inserting the manager. Then second one, I'll insert here company name. Then third one, I'll be inserting company address. Okay. Now I have to go for the preview result. Look here. The first name, first person name, manager name, and company name. What is the address of the company? And designation, it is a developer here, job title. And here we have a dear sir or madam, greeting line. And in this we have a different position, that platform where you saw the job posting. Here I have not taken, let it be 12 years experience, it is taken. So where all the fields are inserted that you want to see, you have to go for the highlight merge fields. It will be highlighting all the merge fields. Means wherever the insertion I have taken. Look here, if I go for the preview, it will show. Here I have taken all the variables within the letter body as well as to address, and in subject matter also we have taken. So here we can go for the preview. It will be showing the respective record. If I need to go for the next one, here next one, and previous one I need to take, I can go for the previous one. So this is how we can insert multiple addresses in the same letter. So same letter, it will be switching from one company to another company. Suppose now I need to take all these 3 letters in the separate page. I need to take the printout of all these. Then here I can go for the last one, finish merge. So before going to this, now here we have a highlight field, means it will be highlighting the field. And here we have a address book you need to take. You can go for the selection of the address book. And greeting line, even manually also you can apply. Otherwise, by using that also you can apply. This field, it is very important. Where we need the particular field name, just by using this one, I can insert here. And then here, if you need to edit, you need to change some previous information. You have to go to the edit recipient list. There you have to select the table name and you can go for the changes. You can apply the changes here. By doing changes, you have to say OK. And like that only, here we have a select recipients that already it is created. One more list here and all you need to take, you can come to this option here. So these are related to different options like this. Now I'll go to the last option, that is a merge and finish. Edit individual documents. By selecting this one, here all, I'll say all, total how many addresses I have created? 3 different company address I have created. So now I need, in the new document, it will be creating the 3 different letters. First one with the first company, that is manager name AA. Second manager name, it is a BB. And third one, manager name, it is a CC. Like this, we are created with the 3 different companies. It is in the new document. Directly, we can go for the print. Otherwise, if I need to come back to my previous document, look here, in order to come to the previous document, just I have to change it. Now I am not going to save. I'll come back to the previous document where I am working right now. So in this only, if suppose 100 together letters are there, now I need only the in between, some selected range, 10 to 20, otherwise 15 to 20. Now here only we have a 3 records, 3 different letters. I may give 2 to 3. Means first one I am skipping here. I'll give the particular range, only that range B, that is second letter as well as third letter in new document. With the range we can apply. So again, by closing this one, I'll come back to the previous where I am working. This is how we can apply the mail merge. I hope it is clear to you. So once again, here we have a creation of the mail merge. We can go to the start mail merge. In this, we have a step-by-step wizard. Total how many steps it is taken? 6 steps. Either we can use this wizard or we can use the standard toolbar also. Here up to 6th step it is taken. I'll go to the next one. 4th I have taken. 5th one. 5th one, here we have a recipient, edit recipient list. If I need to change the recipient list, then again I'll go to the next one. There edit individual letters, means the same as this option it will comes. This is how we can create the mail merge.